you a little point of view of this 370 and its fucking gunshot pops. Hope you guys enjoy. That wasn't too loud. Hello boys! Please don't scream. There you go. Holy fuck. Holy shit! Very match. That wasn't too loud. Little dip. It's funny how the driver, the owner of this car is behind me. He knows it's low, he knows I go sideways, and he's still on my ass. No problem. Should I swing it? That's a real question. I'm sorry, Andres, I had to. I don't have LED, so I don't have the privilege of doing that. GoPro, buddy, I love you. When the owner hears his pops right next to his ear like he does to me all the fucking time, he flips you off. That's what he does. One like and I'll scare these people. Nice, man. I'm not that big of a dick. Hello. Did someone say machine gun? Alright, so made it to the little meetup spot, the gas station to meet up with. Meet up with my homie Carlos. Look at that, nice ass classic Z. It's a 240Z with the 280Z engine, but it still has the 240Z 4-speed transmission. So you can't run it as hard as you want to, but that's what he's gonna change out soon. I'll drop his Instagram right here. Funny part about the Instagram name, look at his Instagram sticker. We made that joke one time, he actually stayed with it. So, oh look, my homie Oscar from Society hooked my boy up with a new sticker today. Look at that. So yeah, if you guys drive a Z, you guys gotta cop that Society merch. You guys are sleeping if you guys don't. Dude, these fucking seats are tiny. How the fuck, I forgot how you turn this shit on. Like this? Oh. Let's find out. How do you turn on the lights? Not like that. There you go. Get it. You gonna take it? You want me to? Huh? You want to see it rolling? Fuck, I'm gonna have to drive it slow as fuck though.
I know you're gonna be driving. Oh, you want?
I don't care. I don't mind it. I don't mind it.
Sure?
It's up to you. It's your car, dude. I don't care less.
I mean, I don't mind.
You let me know. Hurry up.
But should I do it on this?
Or at least you want to do it on the way back.
Huh?
At least you want to do it on the way back. Hurry up, Joel. Go, go, go. Let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go. Wish me luck. Yeah, Carlos made a great point. We actually do not know where we're going exactly. So, can you open the door? Look, gutted boys. What the fuck, bro? Ah! Dude, fuck! Oh, shit hurt. Did I drop anything in there? Probably. Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay.
After. Hey.
I'll get some running shots of you.
Never
What?
mind.
Alright, let's go. Fuga! So we made it to In-N-Out, where we always fucking eat. Whenever I'm vlogging, we always eat here for some weird ass reason. But there's a taco stand across the street. Should we go there instead? Hey guys, so after we got the food,
I was like,
man, looks like I'm driving this.
alright, fucker. What about my food?
Hold, he's gonna hold it. He's gonna hold everything. He don't want to get off. He's holding everything.
Hey, be careful. I just got a new clutch, okay?
Okay. No mirror? What the fuck, bro?
Driving no mirror, bro.
This is gonna be my mirror. The camera's gonna be my mirror. What?
Put the other strap on it.
Fuga. Bro, this shit is fucking tight. I can't. I literally can't. Holy fuck.
Yeah, break my.
Dude, this is not comfortable. Hold up.
Take care.
Wait, help me put on the seatbelt. How the fuck you even put this shit on? Oh, like this. Okay. Hold up. Pause. What's up, Subi? Appreciate that, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, so it feels like literally feels like I'm in a go-kart. You can feel everything, and it's like it just feels dope. Like I would not mind a car like this at all. I probably wouldn't daily it, but it just are super dope. It's not dressed. Fuck! Okay, bitch ass streets of Rialto. Rev it. Alright guys, so my friend Carlos, the owner of this Datsun, said he's gonna properly side it for me because I kind of tried to slide it, but I didn't. So, let's see if this dude has the manos.
I don't have the manos, bro. I was just kind of getting that on. That shit flying on.
Alright. See what you got, boy, right here. That was better. A lot better. Yo, what's up, fam? So it is currently 12:50. I'm about to take this little beast to go get a shower because tomorrow's my first day back in school, so gotta make it look clean. I'm pretty sure my neighbors are not gonna love me for this, but you know me, YOLO, you know what I'm saying? So let's start. Wondering who am I gonna go wash my car with at 1 in the morning? Well, you fucking guessed it. The one and only crackhead Andres.
Okay.
Ooh, he's on his phone.
Okay.
For sure talking to a girl.
Bye-bye.
Who are you talking to? I was about to step on the pole. Red match. Another one. Driving his E with a broken arm. Son of a boy. Oh, thank you. Sponsorship for my car wash. All done. Ugh, bruh. Fuck it, I'm about to clean the interior and I don't even trip. Oh yeah, and look what happened.
For the L.
Nah, for the win, but just that. It doesn't matter, it's gonna get replaced. Talking a lot of shit. See you at school. My boy's out here cruising with me. Shut the fuck shit. Respect. Oh shit, that would look. I'm on the top. I wasn't even talking to him. Oh shit. So yeah, we're going to school. He's cruising with me. The only reason I'm picking up the camera today is because after class, I'm gonna go to LA to pick up some goodies. Little thing I made for my followers or whoever wants to support me in this little thing. Here's a little montage before we go to LA. Not chill. Move. 89. Watch out, you fucking idiot! Oh my god! Oh, you're so lucky that she didn't get on the camera. I would have killed you. I would have fucking killed you. Check out my fucking handle. Let me see. Put a lighter on my hand. See what happens. Okay, now back to the fucking montage. Hold on, let me make sure. I'm mad at it, but you're fucking stupid. What the fuck? What? Oh my god! And everything out of everything is fucking gas, bro. Literally, out of fucking everything is gas. Alright fam, so we're hopping in the daily. Gotta go put some gas, pick up Andres for sure. One of my friends, Carlos with 240. He's not too sure if he's going yet. But if he is, we'll pick him up too. My friend Chris lagged, like a little pussy that he is. And we'll head to go grab the little thing I have for you guys. Well, Carlos just texted. Focus. Nah, bro, not tonight. Shout out to my boy Z Panda for commenting on my picture. So yeah, looks like I'm just going with Andres. I made it to the dude's house, and as always, he's being in a fucking scene. Hurry the fuck up! I need to go. I'm gonna post this shit too. Chill, dude.
He buys his subscribers.
Yep, I bought that shit on off-road. Alright guys, I just got called up by this Hyundai for a dig off the light to start prepping. He needs that. Oh, yup, gap. Definitely gap. Yup. Alright guys, we're here just waiting on the person to deliver the goodies, and we'll show you what it is. Stay tuned. You guys ready for this? Boom. Yup, and got some stickers made. Hold on, let me take one. I'll hold this. Before I take one out. Don't show my face though, please. It's a little crusty, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Shout out to the girl. Please, dude. Focus. I'm gonna drop her Instagram right here. Dude, look at that. I couldn't have asked for anything better. If anything, I'll probably sell them for like $5 each. It doesn't really matter. It's not about the money. It's just about, like, you know, pretty much paying shipping or whatever. But yeah, hopefully you guys like them. I'll post a picture on my Instagram, or right now when I get home I'll actually like record it better just to see it. But yeah, now we're at a liquor store because he wants a Monster. Let's go. Oh yup, gotta support my boy Kobe. His drinks, got a Monster. Let's go. Alright guys, I don't know whose man this is, but I ran into this Mustang and he thinks I'm trying to race him. We were literally like going at it. He only got in by like a car, and I'm in this fucking heavy ass, packed ass day. You need that? Watch, he's probably gonna chase me. Oh, dude, don't tell me you're gonna be camera shot. See, he's coming. Dude, how the fuck? Actually, now he's actually kind of like creepy. Oh, yep, top end. Dude, how the fuck am I still right there with you? That's pretty sad. In my opinion. Something I'm just messing with him now. I'm just throwing the hazards, getting his feelings hurt.
Oh shit, he's coming back.
I know he's coming. I'm only doing 100 though. He's probably like already flying. You still can't catch a sub? What the fuck? How is that possible, bro? Think! Hold the camera. You still can't catch a sub. We've been going at it for like 30 seconds already. Yeah, bro. You didn't catch me up and out just because of traffic. I'm gonna mess with him one more time. He's actually going for it, bro. How the fuck? That shit, I was falling asleep on the way home and that literally woke me up. I mean, I hope he wasn't being serious. I don't know, but you couldn't catch me up. I mean, I did a Ricer 5 but still, you should be able to catch me up. I'm not only in the fucking slow at daily, but it's just like loaded with like a lot of stuff. Like the trunk is full, the back seats are full. Like you should be able to like, any car should be able to walk this shit, especially a Mustang. Real ass friends, how many are there? Look what he's about to do. Where? Go, right there.
Right.
No, like this. Put it. Is it straight? Real ass friends. I love you. Oh, that shit kinda look kinda weird, huh? Cause it's like slanted.
It's good.
Give me a kiss, bro. Give me a kiss. You deserve a kiss. That's right. Thanks, bro. I love you.